Since a long time, I haven't posted a video on my channel as I was busy with my examination initially and thereafter with my post studies. I have given IELTS examination and scored 9 in listening and 7.5 overall. There are few tips I wanted to share with you which I used in my examination, and these might help you to score high in your listening. Tip number 1 is to practice the Cambridge material daily. I used to do 2 listenings each day. So you should practice at least 2 listenings each day. Tip number 2. Write down the main points mentioned in the conversation. This technique can be used in section 2 where we need to match the question with the given answer. Here, speaker mentions 2 to 3 lines in regard to each question which we need to note down. We can write a single word for each line.
This helps to ensure that we do not skip the answer to any question. If we did so, then we can use that small written conversation on our booklet to answer the missed questions. Nextly, by doing so, the possibility of committing errors is reduced by 99%. On top of it, discipline is very necessary. We need to spend long sitting hours doing our IELTS practice, especially for reading and writing sections. Lastly, I want to say practice, 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 as practice is the key to success. Practice daily, at least 8 to 9 hours every day if you want to excel in English within 1 to 2 months. You need to practice it daily, particularly in your speaking and writing sections. Read more books, more essay books. Nextly, for the reading section, you need to practice reading daily, especially the Cambridge reading material. And for reading, we need determination, discipline, endurance, as reading is of 1 hour. And people usually get tired and feel bored. But keep in mind, your hard work will pay you. And in speaking, phrasal verbs can be used, or phrases can be used. They enhance the speaking as well as make